Douglas, here's the 347 small block Ford, key description has the combinations. Got a set of our SCAT cylinder heads on it, custom grind hydraulic roller, got the Edelbrock manifold, Brawler carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. Got one of our custom rotating kits, eagle rods, SCAT crank, custom DSS pistons, Moroso front sump oil pan. Go in there and make a run, see what she does, stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 416 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 428, peak horsepower 430, so we're rated at 425, so everything's good. Pull pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, and show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have the engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code that'll take you to some more tech stuff. Have a great day.